Hi, this is Steve Goodman from Environmental Science. So today we're going to be looking at hooking up the Honeywell device configurator with the MultiRae. So the MultiRae now comes with a Bluetooth module if you choose it, and it will now hook up with any Android or iOS device through the device configurator app. So if we now click this, you can see that our MultiRae is online. So we click the device we want, it's now hooked up to the MultiRae. We can then go into this menu here and we can have a look at data logs, device setup, create reports, upgrade firmware, take a measurement, history, and then you've got your device list, app settings, etc, etc. So I think the most interesting thing that we'll go into here is to actually look at the data log initially. So you can see that we've got some data here. So if we click into it, it brings up the data log on the actual unit and what the measurements have been, bump and calibration intervals, and general sensor readings. We can then come across, hit data log, and you can see the data points here. You can see we've had a few VOCs knocking around, and you can click charts. On the charts, you see that we have a little VOC dip here. So it's a quick and easy way of looking at data. If you want to email it to anyone, you hit the email button and you can email it directly across. So all very easy. So if we go back into the menu, we can go to device setup, and if I download the current configuration, it will pull it across from the unit onto the mobile device. Once it's in the mobile device, we can have a look at the general configuration of the instrument. And this allows us to quickly go through and check that everything's set up correctly as we want. Or what we can do is go to, say, sensor information, and we can enable and disable sensors. We can also set alarm values and span values, etc, etc. We can also pop into data logging options, set up what we want to data log, and if we want to edit any of this, we just hit edit, and we've got all the toggle buttons to enable us to do this and to generally configure the instrument. This means there's no need to ever hook the instrument up to a computer anymore to get into these menus, which essentially makes it very useful. Once you're done configuring your unit, you just hit upload. It's telling me no values have changed, so there's nothing to upload, but you just hit upload and it transfers back across to the instrument. So let's cancel editing here. We can also go into a report. So there's no reports that I've downloaded as of yet, so if I come across, go to measurement, and now here I can do a quick snapshot measurement, or I can do a continuous sampling measurement. So if I capture a real-time reading, I hit that, give it a name, go OK, and as you can see it gives our location here. We can add pictures from an album or from the camera, and once we're done we just say save, continue, and then what we can do is we can go into history and we can have a look at the snapshot measurement. Here it is. We can update it and edit it as we wish, or we click this and we can create a report. So if we go report, and here you've got your report, and if you would like to save it, you can click the save button and you can create another copy of it which you can edit further, or if you would like to email it to someone, you highlight it, say send by email, and it will send it across as a PDF report, which is very handy if you're out in the field and you want to send some measurements across to someone. Measurement, if you'd like more information, please contact 01904 373 018 or email info@environst.com. Thank you very much.